Hi friends, welcome back to Python Programming with Akash. Today we will learn how to write a program to add odd numbers up to and including a given value n and print the result. We will implement the program through both the for loop and the while loop. Let's see how we will implement this with the for loop first. In this, we will generate the list of numbers starting with 1 until n through the range function, and we will check if the number is odd by calculating the remainder on division by 2 through the use of the modulus operator. If the remainder is not equal to 0, this means the number is odd, and then we will add it to the variable sum, which we would have initialized to 0 outside the loop. Let's see the program now. N equal to int input enter the number. Here we are taking the user input for the number in the variable n. Sum equal to 0. We have initialized the variable sum as 0 outside the loop, which will hold the final sum at the end of the program. For I in range 1, n plus 1. To generate the list of numbers from 1 to n, we have given arguments 1 and n plus 1 to the range function. If I%2 not equal to 0. To check if the remainder is not equal to 0, we have used the above statement. Sum is equal to sum plus I. For adding the number to the variable sum, we have used this statement. Print sum. This statement is for printing the final value of the sum which we have kept outside the loop. Let's see this in Python now. N equal to int input enter the number sum equal to 0 for I in range 1, n plus 1 if I%2 not equal to 0 sum equal to sum plus I print sum. Saving and running now. I am entering the number as 5. So the odd numbers until and including 5 are 1, 3 and 5, which sum to a total value of 9. Therefore, the output should come as 9. We are getting the correct output. Let's do this with while loop now. This time we will take a different approach. This time we will not take all the numbers from 1 to n. Instead, we will generate only the odd numbers. We already know that we need to update the value of the loop variable inside the while loop. So, for generating the odd numbers, we will take the first value as 1 and then inside the while loop we will increment it by 2 to generate the next number, which will automatically be odd as we are starting with the first odd number, which is 1. Let's see the program now. N equal to int input enter the number. Here we are taking the user input for the number in the variable n. Sum equal to 0. We have initialized the variable sum as 0 outside the loop, which will hold the final sum at the end of the program. I equal to 1. We have initialized the loop variable I as 1. While I less than n plus 1, we have given the test condition for the while loop to generate numbers until n. Sum is equal to sum plus I. Now the first number in I will be 1, that is the first odd number, and we want it to be added to the variable sum, thus the above statement. I is equal to I plus 2. Now to generate the next odd number, we are incrementing the value of the variable I by 2 inside the loop. Print sum. At last, to print the final value of the variable sum, we are using this statement outside the loop. Let's see the program in Python now. N equal to int input enter the number sum equal to 0 I equal to 1 while I less than n plus 1, sum equal to sum plus I equal to I plus 2, print sum. I am again entering as 5. We are getting the correct output. Now we have come to the end of the video. We can also apply the logic we had used with the for loop here with the while loop. We will just use the modulus operator to check if the number is odd or not. You will also find these programs in the description box of this video for a quick reference, along with links to some other relevant videos too. If you like the video, do give a like to it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have some doubts, do let me know in the comments. I will surely come back to resolve them. Have a great day. I will be back with more learning and more videos. Until next time, see you.